Welcome, fellow travelers, to a little place. It is called ATOKE AWAN. Not many maps show it clearly. It sits quietly near Lahore in Pakistan. Lahore is a big bustling city, full of noise and many people. But ATOKE AWAN is different. It offers a peaceful escape, you see, a true hidden gem waiting to be found. This small town holds many charms. It is a whisper of the old Punjab. Here life moves at a slower pace. You can hear the birds sing and the wind rustle through the fields. It is quite a contrast to city life. Imagine stepping back in time just a little. ATOKE AWAN offers this gentle feeling, a place for quiet thoughts and simple joys. In this essay we will explore. We will look at ATOKE AWAN closely, discover its geography, its green lands, learn about the plants and animals. ATOKE AWAN is found in Punjab, a region that is not only rich in history but also in natural beauty. This area is a significant part of Pakistan. This is a famous region in Pakistan, known for its diverse landscapes and cultural heritage. It is known as the land of 5 rivers, which are the lifeblood of the region, providing water for agriculture and sustaining the local communities. The plains here are vast and very flat, stretching out under a wide open sky. This land is incredibly fertile thanks to the nutrient-rich soil deposited by the rivers over centuries. Crops grow well in the rich soil, making it an agricultural haven. For centuries, people have farmed here using traditional methods passed down through generations. It is the breadbasket of the country, providing a significant portion of Pakistan's food supply. The geography shapes life profoundly, influencing the way people live and work. The landscape around ATOKE AWAN is typical of the region, characterized by its agricultural fields. You see wide, open agricultural fields that seem to go on forever. These fields stretch as far as the eyes can see, creating a picturesque and serene landscape. Small canals and water channels cross the land, ensuring that every part of the field gets the water it needs. These bring precious water to the crops, making irrigation a vital part of farming here. The terrain is mostly level, easy to walk, and ideal for large-scale farming. Dotted with small clusters of trees, these fields offer a mix of open space and shaded areas, and the occasional village settlement where communities thrive amidst the agricultural landscape. It is a landscape of human endeavor where hard work and dedication are evident in every field. Working closely with nature's gifts, farmers here have mastered the art of balancing agriculture with the natural environment. The soil here is a special kind, known for its fertility and richness. It is alluvial soil, rich and deep, brought down by the rivers over millennia. This soil is the secret to Punjab's fertility. Allowing it to be one of the most productive agricultural regions. It allows farmers to grow many things, from staple crops to a variety of fruits and vegetables, making it a diverse and bountiful land. The flora of ATOKE AWAN is bountiful, showcasing a rich tapestry of plant life that thrives in this fertile region, especially the plants that people grow, which are essential to the local agriculture and economy. Wheat fields stretch far and wide, creating a golden sea that sways gently with the wind, their golden heads nodding in the breeze, a sight that symbolizes the prosperity of the region. Sugarcane stands like a tall green forest, its stalks reaching for the sky. Sweet and vital to the local economy, sugarcane is a staple crop that supports many livelihoods. Rice paddies, when filled with water, reflect the big open sky above, creating a mirror-like effect that is both beautiful and serene. Cotton plants show their fluffy white balls, which are harvested to produce textiles and other goods. These crops define the visual landscape, painting a picture of abundance and hard work. Many trees dot the area too, providing shade and adding to the biodiversity of the region. You will see sturdy shisham trees, known for their resilience and valuable timber. Their wood is dark and very strong, making it highly sought after for furniture and construction. Kikar trees, with their thorny branches, are common in the drier parts, adapting well to the arid conditions. Eucalyptus trees, tall and slender, were planted to provide wood quickly and are now a familiar sight. Fruit trees like mango and guava offer delicious treats in summer, their fruits eagerly awaited by locals. These trees provide shade and shelter, creating microhabitats for various species. The fauna is what you might expect in such a fertile, farmed landscape, with a variety of animals coexisting with the crops. Many types of birds fill the air, their songs adding a melodic backdrop to the rural life. Sparrows, crows and miners are common, each playing their part in the ecosystem. You might see colourful kingfishers near water, their vibrant plumage a striking contrast to the green fields. Pigeons coo from rooftops and trees, their gentle sounds a familiar part of the rural soundscape. Sometimes majestic eagles soar high above, searching for their next meal below, a reminder of the wildness that still exists. The bird life adds sound and movement to the otherwise quiet rural scene, making the Punjab Plains a vibrant and dynamic place. The climate in ATOKE AWAN is varied. It experiences quite distinct seasons. Summers, from April to June, are hot, very hot indeed, with soaring temperatures. The sun beats down quite fiercely then. Dust can fill the air sometimes. Most people prefer to stay indoors during the hottest part of the day. It's a time for siestas and cool drinks, not ideal for extensive outdoor exploration. Then comes the monsoon season, usually arriving in July and August. Heavy rains bring relief from heat. The landscape turns a lush, vibrant green. Rivers and canals swell with water. The air feels fresh and much cooler. However, travel can be tricky then. Roads might become muddy or flooded. Winters are the most pleasant time, from November through to February. The days are mild and very sunny. The nights can get quite cool, even cold. Section 5. Waterways and Wonders. The Ravi River and nearby attractions. Flowing near ATOKE AWAN, the Ravi River is one of Punjab's 5 famous rivers. It is not just a geographical feature, but a vital part of the region's identity and culture. The river has been a witness to countless historical events and has played a crucial role in shaping the civilization around it. It serves as a lifeline for the region, providing water for irrigation and helping the fertile plains to flourish. The river's water is essential for the agricultural activities that sustain the local economy. Without it, the lush green fields that stretch as far as the eye can see would not exist. For centuries, this river has shaped the land and the lives of people living nearby. Communities have settled along its banks, relying on its resources for their daily needs. The river has been a source of inspiration for poets, artists, and writers who have captured its beauty and significance in their works. Its waters carry stories of history, making it a majestic and important waterway. The river has seen the rise and fall of empires, and its banks are dotted with historical landmarks that tell the tales of a bygone era. It is a living testament to the region's rich cultural heritage. Sometimes it's calm, and other times quite full. The river's mood changes with the seasons, reflecting the dynamic nature of the environment it flows through. During the monsoon season, it swells with rainwater, while in the dry months it becomes a serene and tranquil stream. Not far away you'll find the Lahore Canal, another significant man-made waterway. This canal is an engineering marvel that has transformed the landscape and provided a reliable source of water for the city of Lahore. It branches off from a river, bringing water into the city of Lahore and to the surrounding agricultural areas. The canal system is a vital part of the region's infrastructure, supporting both urban and rural communities. People enjoy walking along its banks, especially in the cooler evenings. The canal has become a popular spot for recreation, where families and friends gather to relax and enjoy the natural beauty. Trees line its sides, offering shade, making it a place for recreation too, a green corridor through the landscape. The tree-lined paths provide a refreshing escape from the hustle and bustle of city life, making it a cherished green space for the residents. Close to ATOKE AWAN, you find Lahore, a city with many famous sights. The city is home to architectural marvels like the Shalimar Gardens, which reflect the grandeur of the Mughal era. Lahore's skyline is a blend of historical and modern structures, making it a fascinating destination for visitors. As Section 6, Echoes of Empires, History, Culture and the Awan tribe, ATOKE AWAN is situated on ancient land, with the Punjab region having a long history. Many empires have ruled this area, from the Indus Valley civilization to the Greeks, Mauryans and Guptas. Later the Mughals left a strong mark, followed by the Sikhs and the British. Each era has left its own layer, making the culture rich and diverse. History is all around you here. The Awan tribe has a notable presence in this part of Punjab and beyond. They are an ancient agricultural tribe with a history stretching back centuries. Known for their farming skills and strong community bonds, their traditions and customs are important, passed down through many generations. They have contributed much to the region, and their heritage is part of ATOKE AWAN's story. Mughal influence is very strong throughout Punjab and near ATOKE AWAN. Section 7, Festive Spirit and Local Life, Experiencing Punjabi Traditions. Local festivals bring great joy here, and people in ATOKE AWAN celebrate with spirit. Eid festivals are very important, marking the end of Ramadan, for example. Families gather, share special food and wear their finest new clothes. Basant, the spring kite festival, fills the sky with colourful kites, though sometimes there are restrictions. Ur's festivals honour Sufi saints, and during these festivals the atmosphere changes. The quiet town becomes more lively, with a strong sense of community. People visit each other's homes, sharing sweets and good wishes. Music might be played in public spaces, and children run around full of excitement. It is a time for togetherness and for celebrating shared traditions, a wonderful display of local culture. Daily life in ATOKE AWAN is simpler compared to the big city of Lahore. The pace is unhurried, more relaxed. Section 8. Your journey to ATOKE AWAN, travel tips and practical advice. Getting to ATOKE AWAN is quite easy, as it is not far from Lahore city. You can hire a taxi from Lahore or perhaps take a local bus. The journey might take about an hour, depending on the traffic, of course. Roads are generally in good condition, and the drive itself can be interesting, passing through suburban areas and then into the open countryside. Accommodation options in ATOKE AWAN itself are likely to be quite basic. It is a small, rural town, so do not expect large hotels. You might find simple guest houses, or perhaps a homestay arrangement. Many visitors choose to stay in Lahore, where there is a wide range of hotels, and then make day trips to ATOKE AWAN. This offers more comfort and choice.